Madam Deputy Chairman, the Honorable Finance Minister has made an effort to tax those who can bear it and has tried his best to give solace and relief to these who deserve stop. The budget is an instrument whereby the government in power indicates its philosophy regarding finance stop. This is an instrument by which a direction is given where and to what extent the government is going to reduce the disparities between the rich and the poor. Stop, madam. In this budget, the finance minister has made efforts to tax those who are above the middle income group and the rich by taking various luxury items of consumption. Stop. I am not going into the details because they are already there in the budget proposals. Stop. Madam, here an attempt was made by some honorable members to paint a picture as if our economy is completely shattered and we are going towards bankruptcy. Stop. I would like to give my views on this aspect. Stop. This year, as far as production of food grains is concerned, it is estimated that it will go up to 166 to 170 million tons. Stop. As regards industrial production, it will go up to 8.5% as compared to the earlier year. Stop. In spite of the worst drought last year and three bad monsoons, this government, by managing economic affairs well, has come out successfully in that price rise is kept under control. Stop. Madam, I would like to draw the attention of Mr. Gurpad Swami to certain facts and figures in this respect. Stop. Unfortunately, he is not here. Stop. Yesterday, he said that we were not able to make any improvement in our economic progress. Stop. I will give some figures or his consumption. He knows them, but he deliberately wants to avoid them. Stop. In the year 1979-80, the gross national product on 1980-81 basis was minus 4.7%. Stop. But in spite of the severe drought for 1987-88, it was plus 3.6%. In the current year, it is expected that it will go up to 9% in 1979-80. Agricultural production was minus 15.2%. Stop. But last year, even though there was a severe drought, it was only marginally minus by 2.1%. Stop. This year it will go up by 17 to 20%. Stop. This is because the government has launched several schemes for giving impetus to agricultural production. Stop. As regards food grains production, it was minus 16.8% in 1979-80, but only marginally by 0.35%. It was less in 1987-88. Stop. This year it will go up by 20 to 23%. Stop. This is because of the several actions taken by the government in this direction. Stop. As for wholesale prices, they talk about the rise in prices. Stop. But what had happened in 1979-80, it had gone up by 21%, whereas in 1987-88, it has gone up by only 7 to 5% because the government took several actions, monetary, fiscal. That is why the government was able to control the prices stop. Madam, yesterday he talked about money supply stop. I made a comment from the chair that as far as I remembered, money supply had gone down stop. But Mr. Gurpad Swami was not agreeing with me. Stop, I said. I would check up my figures. Stop, I have seen the figures. It is like this. It is like this. Madam, the money supply in 1978-79, when the Janta government was in power, had gone up by 21.5%. Stop. But when this government came into power, every year they tried to reduce it, and when we see the figures for the year 1987-88, it has come down to 15.9%. Stop. In the current year, it is 15%. Stop. Madam, as I told the Janta government, because several shades of opinion were there, were not able to have that economic policy which would have been beneficial to the country, and they had completely ruined the economy of the country. Stop. And now, because of the efforts made by the present government, it has become a buoyant economy. Stop. Industrial production has gone up. Stop. Coal production has gone up. Stop. Cement production has gone up. Stop. Fertilizer production has gone up by 36%. Saleable steel production has gone up by 10%. Stop. Madam, in this way, this government has tried its best to see that the production of infrastructure industries goes up. Stop. Para. Then, Madam, I would like to refer to what Mr. Ghosh said about the allocation of rupees 500 crores in the rural areas in 120 districts to give employment to at least one member of the family below the poverty line. Stop. He made a calculation, and according to him it will be rupees 240 per year per family. Stop.